Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Zaw from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Sourdough Cornbread.
Flour, cornmeal, buttermilk, active sourdough starter, sugar, mix well. Cover and rest 1 hour. In new bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk. Salt, melted butter, mix well and add to batter. Baking powder, baking soda. Mix, mix, mix. Grease cast iron or baking pan with butter. Add batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Slice it up.
Sourdough cornbread. Looks really good. That's good cornbread. It's nice with the butter. You can try it with barbecue sauce or straight up. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.